Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called Make Your First Million During the Coming Financial Crash. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you please post a link to today's episode of your show on your social media to help us get the word out. Now, let's get started. Countless people are saying that the financial crash has already begun or will begin very, very soon. You can see the signs of it everywhere now. Inflation skyrocketing. Real estate prices are flatlining or beginning to drop in many areas. Gas, heating oil, and fuel prices keep rising. Protests are increasing because people see that the politicians are completely ignoring the voters. There is no doubt in our minds that a historic crash is coming and will wipe out the stock market, crush the real estate market, and create many other challenges for people and companies. Recently, a $300 billion real estate company in China called Evergrande has just defaulted on their loan payments and effectively gone bankrupt. All the people on Wall Street and everywhere else around the world who invested with Evergrande are going to lose all the money put in. By the way, that's 300 billion with a B, in case you missed it. Yet it's amazing how many media outlets are not covering this because they're obviously trying to prevent a growing panic. There are some people who believe that every crash presents enormous opportunities. In fact, many people believe that the best time to make a lot of money is during a financial crash. In 1929, when the market crashed, some of the richest people left standing were those who pulled all their money out before the crash. Now, we don't give investment advice, but a lot of ultra high net worth individuals I know have moved their portfolios to cash. That means they've gotten out of the stock market. Warren Buffett, for example, has repeatedly stated that he's moved to cash. So, what are everyday people who think the bubble is bursting going to do, or should they do, to make serious money? Well, those who are in the real estate sector are hanging on to their money so that when property prices soon drop by 50 to 80%, like they did in 2008, they'll be able to swoop in and purchase those homes or buildings. A lot of billionaires like Bill Gates, Rupert Murdoch, and many others are now buying huge amounts of land in the US. Many people are speculating that those billionaires and a lot of millionaires are swapping their cash for land because they expect land values to continue to increase while inflation continues to erode the value of the dollar. That means your land is going to go up and the money in the bank is going to continue purchasing less and less. Now, back in 2008, when the bubble popped, a lot of people got rich by purchasing stock puts in an effort to make a fortune off the collapsing prices of stocks. Now, for those of you who don't know, a stock put is something that you purchase when you anticipate a stock to drop in price over a certain period of time. And the more it drops, the more money you will make. Those that timed it well made millions off the falling stock market. Some people got wealthy by simply selling their homes or their rental property at the top of the market, and then when the market collapsed, they went back in and repurchased those buildings for 20 cents on the dollar and pocketed all the money they made by selling them when they did. Other people are scouring the business landscape in the physical world and the online world looking for businesses that generate positive cash flow to purchase. In doing so, they are driving up the prices of those businesses with bidding wars as the smart investors and buyers out there desperately try to swap out their cash for physical assets. A lot of people are buying physical assets like gold and silver, but they're being really smart about it. They're taking physical possession of their gold and silver. They're not buying gold or silver stock. That's just paper. That's just numbers on a computer screen. You can no longer trust numbers on a computer screen. What people are buying, the physical gold and the silver, they're having it shipped to them or to a secure location and preparing for what's coming. By the way, don't make the mistake of storing your gold in some privatized vault that charges you X number of dollars a month to secure your gold. A lot of these private vaults disappear, go out of business when there's a major collapse. One thing we can tell you that you absolutely should be doing is you should be preparing for what's coming, because when it hits, your options will change dramatically and be very, very limited. Don't wait. Start preparing and planning your research now. It could mean the difference between you getting rich and going completely broke. I mean penniless broke. So with that, I want to wish you good luck. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's episode of our show on your social media to help get the word out. Thank you again, and we shall see you soon. Goodbye.